Why pay $40 at the mechanic for something that you can do at your home in 60 seconds and for $3? Let me show you this hack that nobody teaches you. You know that moment when your windshield is totally covered in bugs and you go to get some of that water for the windshield to come out and nothing comes out? Or your reservoir for your windshield washer fluid's empty. Let me show you how to fix that quickly, easily, and at home. So the first step in the process is you're going to want to know in your car where to pop the hood. In my car, and probably in your car, it's going to be just underneath the steering wheel, really close to where your left knee would be if you were sitting in the driver's side seat. And as you can see here, you just pull that handle back and you'll hear the front hood pop up. So after you've popped the hood inside your car, you're going to go out to the front of your car, and if you stand right in the middle of the front of your car and put your fingers underneath the hood that you just popped up, if you feel around, you're going to feel a little latch. In my instance, I just had to push the latch left, and then my hood would open right up. So here you can see I have my hood open, and again, I use this latch, just pushing it left here on my car to get the hood up. Now your windshield washer reservoir is going to be in one of three places, always for every car. It's going to be in one of the front corners, so front right corner in my car. It will be in the front left corner or in the center. Most often it's in the corners of your car, and you can tell that it's the windshield washer reservoir just by looking at the little logo or the color even sometimes of the little latch. So my color is blue, yours might be yellow, but they always have the same emblem on top of the reservoir, and that's going to be, again, the place where you put in your windshield washer fluid. So once you've lifted it up and identified where the reservoir is, you just lift that cap up very easily. And then what you're going to do is, if you go to your auto parts store, I have something that's a little fancier. You definitely don't need this. It's just that I live in Florida and we have all kinds of bugs at all times of the year, and this stuff really gets the good gets the bug guts off. But the critical piece is this. Way back when, you might have heard that people just pour straight water in their windshield washer reservoir. I would not recommend doing that in any of the climates, especially where it gets down below freezing, because that water will freeze up like a block of ice, and you definitely don't want that in your windshield washer reservoir. So the easy fix is just go to your gas station, go to your auto parts store, and sometimes even at grocery stores, they're going to have something. In most cases, it's blue. It's about $3. This is, again, just $4.50 or $5 at the auto parts store because it's a little fancier version of windshield washer fluid. So you're going to unscrew the cap, take this top off, and now it's just a matter of pouring it in to the top of the reservoir. So now I have a full reservoir. You can tell just visually by looking down, so there's no other fancy way to tell that it's full other than just by looking. So you're just going to want to clip the cap back up and then close your hood, and you're good to go. So if this just saved you $40, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below and let me know how it worked out for you.